Synchronous condensers are vital machines that stabilize the power grid, ensuring reliable and high-quality electricity supply. This video explores the principles and applications of synchronous condensers in power systems. A synchronous condenser is essentially a DC-excited synchronous motor operating without a mechanical load. The shaft spins freely, and the machine's primary function is to generate or absorb reactive power for grid stability. The synchronous condenser connects to a three-phase power system and runs at synchronous speed. A voltage regulator is key, as it dictates the reactive power output by controlling the rotor field. When the voltage regulator overexcites the machine, it supplies reactive power to the grid. The machine draws a leading current and effectively compensates for lagging inductive loads. Conversely, an underexcited machine, regulated by the voltage regulator, absorbs excess reactive power. This action draws a lagging current and helps to reduce excess voltage on the grid. The machine contains a heavy rotating mass that provides physical inertia to the system. This inertia is essential as it stabilizes the system frequency and enhances short-circuit strength. Synchronous condensers are crucial for regulating voltage over long-distance power transmission lines. Long lines cause voltage fluctuations, and the condensers maintain stable voltage level. The machine corrects the power factor smoothly and continuously. Unlike discrete capacitors that adjust power in steps, synchronous condensers offer a balanced, continuous power factor adjustment for the grid. Synchronous condensers outperform alternatives like capacitor banks and static VAR compensators. They provide continuous reactive adjustment, tolerate high voltage, and are suitable for large power networks. After a grid fault, the synchronous condenser immediately supplies short-circuit power. This capability supports post-fault voltage recovery and helps the grid recover its normal operation quickly. As renewable energy sources like solar and wind replace conventional generators, system inertia is lost. Synchronous condensers are instrumental in replacing this lost physical inertia, securing grid stability. The synchronous condenser bridges the gap between mechanical and renewable energy eras. It dynamically manages reactive power and provides critical system inertia, securing the future renewable grid.